Hello and welcome to 12 Volt Planet TV. My name is Craig and today we will look at how to pick the correct cable for your application. Picking the correct type and size of cable is arguably the most important aspect of doing any work in electrics and can often be confusing. In this video we'll take you through all the different options and tools to help you select your cable. The two main copper conductor types are plain and tinned copper, with the latter being tin coated over each strand to prevent against corrosion in harsh environments, and this is mostly used in the marine sector. All our cable is multi-stranded for flexibility, and plain and tinned copper conduits are available in different formats, either single or multi-core. Here you can see the different types and what they look like. The first thing to look at when picking cable is the amps that the device that the cable will connect to will draw. Sometimes the items will already give you the max draw in amps, however sometimes you need to find the answers. Here you can see a simple equation that can help give you the amps with other information that you'll likely have to hand. Now we know that the amps that we are going to draw, we know roughly the type of cable we'll need. However, we need to consider the voltage drop. All electrical cable offers some resistance to electricity. Although it's small, it can be significant in low voltage circuits and increases with the length of the cable. The longer your cable, the more it becomes an issue, as the electricity has to pass through more and more copper. Once you know the length of cable, you'll need to work out the voltage drop. To work out the voltage drop, simply use our calculator on our website and aim for a drop between 3 and 4% max. If you are ever unsure, then we would suggest going a size up, as it will not do any harm. However, it will make sure that your cable is able to transfer the required power to the unit. Cable in Europe is measured metrically and is the conductor cross-sectional area, i.e. 16mm squared. North America, however, use AWG, or gauge for short. To find the conversion chart, please click on our website below. For more information on cable sizing, then please check out our Knowledge Center article, and if you have any questions, leave them in the comments and we will answer them. If you have found this video helpful, then please give us a like, share and subscribe for future videos. Thank you very much for watching and enjoy the rest of your day.